wanted help.
Max has just been T-posing for the last 30 seconds.
Oh my god, help me stand up!
Walking on, sir.
Jimmy, shut up. Why are we going to Pops'?
Oh, yeah, you know, he's crazy. He has a bet. We're gonna go, get his retirement charge. He's, in the asylum, I think. So he can go get some tools at Home Depot.
Awesome. Whoa, Jimmy.
What the hell?
Door's open.
Burglars.
No.
Go get in there.
No.
Go. All right, have a nice day. Have a nice day. All right, you're good.
Oh god.
Good. Yeah. Doesn't fit.
Who are you? Oh god.
Oh, God. Oh, God, no. Have a nice day, boy. I'll pick you up on Tuesday. God damn it. God damn it. The joke's on. Let's get a warm start. God damn it. God damn it. Is that? I think it's starting. Hey, what's that? Oh, damn, oh, shoot. Oh, I left you in there, sorry. What the hell?
This enchilada does not taste very good.
Oh, God save me.
Do you have any spark plugs?
No, Jim.
I need some spark plugs.
Jim, but I don't got
Who
it.
are you?
See that spark plug? You need another one.
Hey.
Take a look.
Who are you?
Pops? I thought they put you in the crazy farm 2 years ago.
Johnny's.
I said my name is Jimmy.
Okay, Jenny. It's nice to see you.
I don't care who you are. Do you have any spark plugs? So cold.
No. Who's that guy?
I think that's boy.
Oh, is that your sister's son that you took care of for all those years?
I think he's my daughter.
Well, I think you did a horrible job. Look at him.
Yeah,
he's growing up
he's
to
a
be
little
just
bit
like
loose.
you.
He's a little loose. Come on, Jip Joe. What the boy? That's it.
Been a week.
Come on, boy.
Wait.
What, we're
Fellas,
going. We're
wait.
going, boy. What?
Don't you want a house tour?
Hell yeah.
All right, come this way. There's more downstairs. Come on.
You got spark plugs?
Come on downstairs.
Boy, that's...
And now this is the downstairs of my humble abode. It's not as nice as upstairs, but it's something.
Oh.
How do you like the place, Johnny? I decorated it to
Those go up? Do those go up?
No.
Oh,
to
sorry.
be.
How do you test the alarms?
I designed this place myself, Johnny, just to impress you.
I got an idea. Look at this. Oh, look. Whoa. Holy smokes. You got everything.
All right, Johnny. As we go into the kitchen, you'll find there was a dead man on the table.
Is this the candy jar?
Do not mind the dead man on the table. He's there usually. Comes and goes sometimes. This is the kitchen, and I'm hungry. You guys want to have something to eat?
I want some oatmeal, Granddad.
I got no. Oh.
No, I ate oatmeal every single day in that darn mental institution. They put me in, that you put me in, and I don't want to go
sorry,
and eat
Pops.
oatmeal.
Pops,
No,
Pops, chill. Pops, let's take you out for the nice night on the town.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Granddad,
Where we going?
we're gonna take you down to the pizza parlor. It's gonna be great.
I'm gonna get you a nice pizza pie. Pops, I got you a little slice of Italy here.
What's the triangle with cheese on it?
You got the crust. You got the juice. You got the splatter, the sauce. It's called the juice. And then you gotta add the yummy powder on
This
top.
doesn't look like oatmeal.
It's what? It's oatmeal, don't worry.
Juice is loose.
Introducing the next revolution from Sam 76. It took over 60 trials.
This juice isn't coming out fast enough. Dinner's on.
Sam 76. Clear glass.
Yum. That was great pizza. Johnny, I love that.
Pizza.
From
Jim, did you get some leftovers?
that was great. I want.
Great Scott, I'm late for Zumba!
Do I have to watch board?
Is somebody cooking butter?
Do I have to watch board, Jenny?
Gotta get the Zumba.
Oh, you take care of board. I gotta go. Go.
I'm so bored.
Now that Jimmy's gone.
I don't know what to do.
Oh,
Grandpa!
the unicorns! Oh, they're back! Oh, boy. Shit. Sorry, the hallucinations have been getting to me a lot.
Grandpa, I'm hungry.
You want some oatmeal? Oatmeal.
No, I want some Japanese
Sorry,
cuisine.
I don't know that one.
Hi. Welcome to Chefing with Pops. My grandson bought, he wanted me to make some ramen. Well, it looks like we don't got the real ramen, so we gotta get the artificial ones. Here we got the ramen by Maruchan. And we're gonna take my dagger here and we'll just do that a little bit of time. Alright, so we got that all maneuvered and set. Now we gotta toss it around in here. Gotta take the beef flavor out. Cause the beef flavor's for noobs. Gotta crush a little bit more. Like that, like so. You wanna really make sure you get all around, get really in there, get in deep, alright? Now, I've never cooked a day in my life before. So then you take the worms, okay? And, put them in. Just gonna, alright, let's just clear the cooking plate. I got it. Then turn the oven on. And you're gonna stir it around. It's cooking. Then you got it. Your other ingredients is gonna be ketchup and beef flavor. As this is heating up, we're gonna get our ketchup ready. Really just gonna, we're gonna spread it around. You gotta spread it around. Then you gotta get your mixer. I really gotta get in there. Get in every surface, and it's gonna start smelling real good. Real nice. You gotta stir it around. See how it gets that texture. You really want, I want that. Yeah. So look, this is the ideal. Then we take a beef stroganoff, and we pour all that artificially flavored for kids stuff. Then, smell that. Really breathing in the toxins. It delicious. All right, folks. Now, we're ready to turn off the oven. Boy! Winner, ramen dinner. All right, boy. You are in for an absolute treatly deep. Here we got some nice ramen. Let's just casually move it over here. That looks delicious, right, boy? It's 100% ketchup, 25 ramen. All right. Go on and inhale. Drink, eat it up, boy. Come on.
Getting a bit of a nuttiness to it.
Come on, eat it. Eat it, boy.
I need to do my analysis.
Make your papa proud.
I'm getting a bit of a nuttiness, almost an earthiness as well. This is a late fall. Possibly a California great year. Now, all that's left is the taste.
How's it taste, boy? I put my blood and sweat in that. Literally. I kind of cut myself a little bit.
It adds to the soul of the dish.
Is it good?
You donut, get out of the kitchen.
Is it good? Is it good, boy? Should I become a chef, boy? That was always my dream as a young boy. Become a chef. Ditch all the kids and become a chef. But no. My wife just had to have more kids. And then that one was born. That little, I hate you, uncle. Okay, it's my son, my son Jenny. He's a. Now, hurry up and eat your dinner. I gotta go tuck you in for bed. Oh, all right, boy. I tucking you in to bed. Cause, Jimmy's not gonna be back for a little while. So, gotta make sure you're nice and sound for sleeping. This bed is very nice. Yeah, Grandma made it for you. There you go.
Granddad,
Yeah.
what happened to my parents?
Well, okay. You see what? My daughter, which is your mother, she got impregnated at the age of 14. She was at a party, and her father was 25. Father was 25, and then you were born a few months later. She didn't want to deal with you. So I woke up one morning and I opened my door and I saw a little baby child right outside my doorstep. Now, that was you. And then I didn't want to deal with you. So I gave you to my son Jimmy. And then you're here. And you see your parents are probably dead somewhere. I don't know exactly what is wrong with them. And your mother, she wanted to keep you, but she didn't have the time or the money, she wasn't fit for a mother, she wanted to have you, but she couldn't, and I had the money and the time, but I didn't want to have you, because, well, I didn't like you. You had a big nose, and I don't like kids with big noses, I gave you to my son Jimmy. And he did a heck of a job with you. Look at you. Your nose is still big. And then the prices of a steak at Home Depot.
Granddad, what does this have to do with my parents?
You'll understand one day, good night. Have a good night's sleep. Let the bed bugs bite you.
Nighty night, Grand Cracker.
Good night, God. Now that board's off the bed, all this parenting is. I need a nice smoke. Retirement. I forgot how to read. I'm sure it's not that important. Just gonna roll it up. Take a nice smoke-a-rainy out of these. Hey Jimmy, welcome over on Zumba. Have a nice smoke.
What do you? Hey, that's not a cigar. Retirement fund.
Oh, my retirement fund.
Hey, that's how I'm living. I've been living off your money. Look what you did. You took my money. You took my money. Going to sit down. Sit down. We're gonna have a nice talk. Look what you did, mister. You took all my money.
Wait, I'm your father. Oh, listen, you did, mister. You took all my money.
But I'm living off your money. You earned that you should be in the crazy farm.
I'm gonna go outside and find a reindeer.
You better get outside.
Bye now.
Go. Get out. Go get out.